Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create velocity effect in CapCut. So to do that is pretty simple. You just have to open up your project, select your video that you want to apply the velocity effect to, and then tap on the second icon, which is going to be speed. And here the third icon is going to be velocity effect. And to do that, obviously you are going to have to use a sound effect and a sound. And then when you apply it to your video, you can select the velocity effect, apply it to it. Then you have to wait a few seconds while it is being applied. And then, as you can see, the video is edited and the speed velocity is set to the music's beat. Obviously, this looks much better when you have a video with more action, not just a wheat field. But yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you next one.